Hello, this is Barish from Crisp. Today, I'm very pleased to announce that Crisp is integrated with Instagram direct messages. This new integration allows your customers to reach you from Instagram. This way, you can reply to all your customers from the Crisp shared inbox. You can manage emails, Instagram, Messenger, Twitter, and chat using the same interface. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to integrate Crisp with your Instagram account. Let's get down to it. First, please make sure that your Instagram account is a business account. Then you're gonna have to go to your Facebook Business Manager from business.facebook/settings. Then go to Accounts and then Instagram Accounts. Finally, link your Instagram account to your Facebook business. Now go to Instagram. Then go to Settings, Privacy, then Messages. Under Connected Tools, toggle on Access to Messages. Now we can connect Crisp to Instagram. Go to app.crisp.chat, then to Plugins. Click on Instagram. Connect with Instagram. And now you can pick your page in the list. Now Crisp is integrated with your Instagram business. Your users can now interact with your stories and sending direct messages. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't hesitate to reach us on crisp.chat if you have any questions.